Hello guys, you're welcome to my crypto channel. It's Sajay once again. By January 10th, the SEC is set to make a decision on several applications made by institutional asset management companies for the approval of Bitcoin Spot ETF. By the end of this video, I'm going to show you some assets you need to buy and hold, as the decision of January 10th is going to have a direct impact on those assets.
In June 15, 2023, BlackRock, one of the world's largest and preeminent asset management companies and provider of investment management, filed an application for a Spot Bitcoin ETF in the US. This application is coming barely weeks after the SEC had sued Binance and Coinbase, two of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges. The application made by BlackRock saw BTC rise from around $25,000 to above $30,000 as investors had high hopes for this application to pull through. However, by June 30th, the SEC declared the application as inadequate. After a number of big players in investment management had shown continued interest for a Spot Bitcoin ETF, on December 22nd, 2023, the SEC officials met with representatives of at least 7 companies hoping to launch exchange-traded funds tied to Spot Bitcoin in the first quarter of 2024. A Spot Bitcoin ETF is an investment vehicle that allows ordinary investors to assess and monitor the price movements of Bitcoin in their regular brokerage accounts. What this means is that if you hold a Spot Bitcoin ETF, you are just holding it just like shares with the investment company and not directly buying Bitcoin. Before now, Bitcoin futures trading backed by Bitcoin futures contract has been approved because they don't require holding of Bitcoin or its shares, as it is backed by a clear contract. So it is easy to regulate and monitor. The biggest fear of the SEC in approving the Spot Bitcoin ETF is that the market may become largely manipulated. However, currently we see big players in investment management like ARK, Fidelity, Invesco, Wisdom Tree, and BlackRock, of course, showing strong interest in the approval of Spot Bitcoin ETF. An approval of Spot Bitcoin ETF will see many institutional investors hold as much BTC as the ETF is worth. And seeing that the application is backed by huge asset managers, it means that we will see a lot of billions of dollars flowing into the cryptocurrency market if this particular application gets approved. Institutional investors who haven't been holding BTC out of fear will see this as a safer way of buying and investing into Bitcoin. Now, what are the chances that this application is going to be approved, seeing that the SEC have sued cryptocurrency exchanges in the past? Well, experts think that there is over 70% possibility that the application will be approved. Otherwise, we might not see a bull run too soon. So how will the January 10th decision affect your crypto portfolio? If the decision goes in the positive, it means that we are going to see more liquidity in the market because more players will come on board. There could be a strong stability in the price of Bitcoin. Also, on the other hand, if we see much investors holding large chunks of BTC, it will create a very upsurge in the demand of BTC, which also, I believe, will impact the price in a very positive way. Apart from these, other applications that has been made for Spot ETF will easily get an approval if the January 10th decision comes out in a positive way. Companies that has been in court with SEC for a very long time, companies like XRP and others will see also a relief rally So we are hoping that if this decision comes true, there is going to be a massive increase in the price of assets in the crypto market as more players will come into the business. Now, for the coins to buy in anticipation for a positive decision come January 10th, I have mentioned some of them in my previous videos. If you haven't checked out other videos in my channel, please do that right away. There are lots of contents that you don't want to miss on those videos. So, but I'm going to mention a few. Of course, first of all, you need to have Bitcoin in your wallet if you are a big holder. What I mean by that is if you have lots of cash, you need to get Bitcoin and have some of it in your wallet. But if you are looking for low cap coins to buy, there are a whole lot of them out there. But apart from the ones I've mentioned in my videos, the Solana based cryptocurrencies and that of INJ, I would add Arbitrum. I will add also the OP, and then maybe Matic, maybe Tia. All right, so these coins are going to do massively well. In my next video, I'm going to show you why I choose these particular coins, and I will tell you where you are going to buy the coins, the right marketplace to purchase the coins, and the right wallets to store them in.
So now that you know the impact of the January 10th decision by the SEC, I hope you pack your bags and get ready for the bull market. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification button for this video and for other videos that I'll be dropping. Also, let me know in the comment section if you got value and if you learned something from this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys.